Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful brownish red color pallu with jari lines, same color blouse piece with zari borders. Zari is in half white. Complete saree is in white and red concept. Beautifully different designs block printed, both in borders as well as in the body. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have an orange and grey color pallu with jari lines and beautiful block prints in grey. Very different one with a rusty orange color blouse piece. The saree is in beautiful and contrast color for the pallu and blouse. It is a half white, a creamy half white color with very different prints. Two designs are given here, both mango as well as peacock. Very different prints, and we also have border designs printed in both ends. The complete printing is done in grey and the borders are in orange. Very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful multi-color pallu, a very colorful, and one side full black pallu with same black blouse piece, and one side we have orange color borders. The saree is in base half white color and very beautiful concept. The small triangles that is done in a checker pattern. Both orange and pink is alternatively used the whole saree printing. Very elegant one. The borders are in black base. Excellent and very trendy with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark indigo blue pallu with block prints in peach color and same color blouse piece with one side light blue color borders. The saree have a beautiful design vertically. Light blue as well as green is given. Whole saree have vertical coloring, and we also have a beautiful printing design that is done using almost a brick red color. Very beautiful one. The borders are in dark blue color, pallu color. Excellent combination, very different saree, exclusive design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. So we have a beautiful red pallu with block prints in on half white base, red and black used for the block printing, and jari lines and same red blouse piece. Saree have multiple block print design used. You can see the borders on the red base, and again we have a border design that is done using black. Next to that we have a block printed design on white base. The complete saree is on half white base and two designs are printed in red and as well as black. Very differently it's being done. It's excellent and exclusive design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green, pastel green and red color pallu with red blouse piece. Block prints are also present in the pallu as well as the jari lines, and the saree is in a very beautiful light half white color with mild cream tinge, and on it the printing is done using olive green pastel shade with different printing design, and we also have a border designs in the both side borders that is done using black and red color. The borders are also in red base. Excellent combination. Beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, temple type design block printed in the pallu, grey base and white base with jari lines and dark grey color, almost a blackish grey it is, with the body color in completely half white color, mild green color, and the bird pattern is printed all over in the grey, and we also have big temple design borders in both sides of the saree. Very elegant stuff, completely in grey and half white with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful violet color saree, magenta pink mixed with black to get a beautiful violet shade, completely in same color pallu with block prints and jari lines, and we have same color blouse piece The complete saree is in single color concept here. Only the block prints are in contrast, half white color. The border design is completely done in the block printing, multiple floral design pattern, and it's a simple and very elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful half white, black and red color pallu. Very beautifully the block prints are done along with the jari lines in the pallu, and same red color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The saree have beautiful design, yellow body, light yellow color, goldish yellow, with lower part completely in half white with the black and red printings, flower pattern. We also have a beautiful border design, and the base borders of the saree, the zari border is on red base. Very elegant one with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon and orange color pallu with jari lines vertically thus alternatively given, and we have a line, a brown color, almost a brownish pastel color pallu with one side maroon borders. Very different combination. The pallu, blouse piece, everything is in contrast nature, and the saree is in orange color base, and the printing is done in the lower half. Beautiful floral kalamkari kind printing design, and next to that we have the horizontal orange and red, as well as the borders are in the brown base. Very different concept saree, colorful one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark navy blue color pallu with beautiful block printed design, white used for it, and we also have red borders. And the dark navy blue is the blouse piece also with one side red border. The saree is in beautiful combination, red in the middle with block printed design in the lower part. The borders are again in the navy blue base. Excellent combo, very different combo with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with jari lines and jari border. Same red blouse piece, completely plain one with the jari borders. The saree is in Tassa color, half white, very beautiful creamy half white color with the borders in the red and the beautiful block prints also in the red and green. So you can see the floral pattern, very different flower pattern here, printed in red base color. Very elegant saree, classy looking with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with owl design introducing black color, and we also have jari lines, and we have a very different pastel light brown and grey mixed color blouse piece with one side printed design using black. Very different concept saree. The saree is in black base with owl printed, big owl design printed with the pink borders, and temple borders also given on both sides of the border. Very elegant saree, very different printing, trendy one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Dual color pallu, mild orange color and yellow color in the pallu vertically with block prints and jari lines, and we have same rusty orange color blouse piece. The saree is completely in Tassa color, half white, and we have two different designs printed all over the body horizontally. Black and red is used for the printing, and we also have the border designs in black. The basic border, the jari border, is on yellow color base. Very different collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, red, black as well as white is given along with the elephant block prints, and we have a maroonish red color, red almost, with a blouse piece with one side black borders. It's very different and contrast design saree. The body color, body is in a partly type half saree model. The top saree we have prints all over in black and white base. We have a portion which has black background and elephants in white, and the lower part is completely contrary top is completely half white and only the lower border design is given. Very different saree, elegant one. The borders are in red, which is very attractive with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a grey pallu with block print designs in yellow, and we also have jari lines in same color, grey color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in dark magenta pink with a grey block prints, very different design. You can see the zigzag lines that is done in L and the 7 shape, and we also have very beautiful leaf pattern, and the lower half of the border is completely in grey and with the same pallu design block prints done in yellow. You can see the grey borders. Very elegant concept saree, exclusive with authentic silk mark.
Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, done on acid wash double boiled Tassa fabric material with jari borders on both sides, dual color pallu, blue and red with jari lines, blue color blouse material with borders on both sides, chessboard pattern on both sides. In the middle we have multicolor blue, green, half white and red with the block prints, and a red color jari borders. Excellent design with authentic silk mark. Thank you.
Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue color pallu with dark blue color prints, zebras as well as the floral patterns printed. The very contrast brownish green color blouse piece. The saree is in light green tinge, light pista green tinge, half white, with printing completely done using very different green, that is an olive shade, and we have the borders in blue and the blue color. Differently, the zebras are doll design is printed in the lower half of the saree. It is done using dark blue, very elegant stuff with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon and blue color pallu vertically with jari lines, and we have maroon color blouse piece with one side blue borders. The complete saree is in maroon and blue base. And we have a very beautiful body design. First half we have the blue concept and the lower half is in maroon base. The prints are completely on white base here. Completely, you can see the horizontal printing design, buttas as well as multiple designs printed very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have beautiful shades of brown pallu with jari lines and block print and design, zigzag pattern, and we have same brown color blouse piece. The saree is in two shades of brown or orange mixed brick brown color and light brown color, and the middle part is completely printed on grey base with half white color flowers. Very elegant one, and it is a kind of party saree, the half saree model. The lower part is completely grey in the top, otherwise it is same, which is looking really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu, it's a beautiful indigo blue with jari lines and same color blouse piece with one side black borders. The saree is completely in black, white and blue combination, almost a half and half pattern. The borders are in blue and the top half is completely plain black with the block prints in half white color in the lower half alone. Very beautifully the printing is done in a way that the triangle is formed with the lower border. Excellent one, beautiful designing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa. Here we have a beautiful red and black and white concept saree, elegant pallu, block printed version, and we also have a very elegant jari lines in the pallu and a red blouse piece, deep red color, almost a maroon shade red, and we have an elegant Tassa color, Tassa hand sandal mix half white color saree fully with temple border in black. Both sides of the border is given temple border along with jari border, We also have a printed border in the bottom. Very elegant horizontal printing as well as a floral pattern printed beautifully with black and red. An excellent and classy saree with authentic pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. We have a beautiful deep blue color, royal blue color, pallu with jari lines as well as jari block printed design. Same blue, it's almost a Prussian blue here, darker than the royal blue color. Saree is in creamy half white, very elegant one, fully of fish concept saree. The small block prints are in small fishes design in black as well as in blue, and we have the lower part in a border design is also a fish pattern, very elegantly printed using black and contrastly in blue. Different one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful reddish pink color, dark pink, very beautiful shade, different one too, with pallu having jari lines, and we have beautiful blouse piece all in same color. The complete saree is in single color concept. It's a very beautiful and rare color. On it we have floral pattern, blue flowers, and white is given for the leaf design. Very elegantly, closely printed with a gold jari border in both sides. Excellent color and beautiful design with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A dark grey, blackish grey color, black and grey mixed color pallu with jari lines and same color blouse piece. Most in a different way, and we have a beautiful batik printed design on the body, half white base color and batik printing done using grey here, dark grey, and the printing is done vertically in both borders, one in a row in the top and two in a row in the bottom using red color. The flowers are very beautiful. The base of the borders are also on the pallu color shade. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a maroon and dark grey color pallu vertically, and we also have vertical jari lines, and the same maroon color blouse piece with one side grey borders. Completely contrast blouse piece. The saree is in white base, half white color with the printing completely in grey. We also have a temple borders in both sides in the same grey color. The zari borders are also on grey base. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, white base with black block prints, and we also have blue design, dark blue color, teal blue with black mix pallu. The saree is in half white color, mild yellow tinge half white, creamy yellow color, with both sides the borders are done in a block printed design. That is a very different one, multiple colors used for it. Alternatively, all different colors used, and the borders are on the pallu base color. Very elegant, classy looking one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful yellow and cream half white color pallu with zari lines, very different temple design, vertically done one with yellow blouse piece, completely yellow color, plain one with zari borders. The saree is in dull finish, creamy half white color, beautiful one with the prints completely in yellow. It is a very different yellow, almost in a mustard shade, a fenugreek yellow we can call, with mango design buttas. We also have a big temple border design in both sides of the saree. Very elegant one, a classy saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue color pallu with jari lines and jari border. Same blue blouse piece with one side green borders. Very different combination. The saree is in olive green, and the top part as well as the lower part we have white space, half white color. On it the blue is used for printing. Block printed design, very elegant coding and floral pattern. The borders are again on the zari borders are on blue base. A different combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful copper sulphate blue with light green tinge pallu, same color blouse piece, very different and beautiful color with dark blue combination in the border. The saree is in dark blue completely with white prints, almost a royal blue color, with the borders in the copper sulphate blue base. Very elegant one. Both are in blue shades. Excellent printing all over with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a tri-color pallu, and we also have Amman face design printed in the pallu design very elegantly on black base, and we have a mustard yellow color blouse piece here. It's a very different saree, black and yellow concept. You can see very differently the black lines are coming in the saree on the yellow base saree. Printing is also done on black, almost a rangoli pattern, and we also have a red patterns in the saree in circular motion. Very elegant one with the borders in black. Excellent new collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful classy saree here, a pastel blue, turquoise blue, pastel color pallu with cherry lines, same color blouse piece. The saree is in very pretty color, half white, beautiful color, creamy half white, very light shade, very elegant one too, almost looking like white with the prints completely in blue. Lower of the saree alone have the prints, and the borders are in blue base again, light blue. Excellent one, very classy, almost looking like a venpattu with authentic silk mark. Okay. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very elegant green pallu with dark green color, block printed design, beautiful pattern with zari lines, and we have same green blouse piece. It's a leaf green, beautiful color, and the saree is in black, the body of the saree. The borders are in green. The lower border also we have the block printed design, the same thing which we had in the pallu. And next to that we have a beautiful checkboard pattern, white and black checks design, very elegantly done. Beautiful, excellent, exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful, a very different color, blue with mild green shade, beautiful tinge with jari lines, and same color blouse piece, almost an aqua sea blue color pallu. And the saree is in half light, the Tassa color, green color, and on it the printing is completely done. The sea blue is used for the flowers and dark blue is used for the veins design. Very elegant one. The zari borders are on white base itself with thin border in the pallu color. A classy saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful dark red color pallu with jari lines, beautiful gold jari lines, and same color blouse piece, plain one. The saree is in very beautiful half white base with mild pink tinge, and the saree completely having beautiful prints all over using the red. Multiple prints are used here. The grey prints are also greyish green color prints in the top, and completely border pattern design in the bottom. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful maroon pallu here with block prints in black and white. We also have orange block prints, floral pattern, along with the vertical jari lines, and we have same dark maroon color blouse piece. Saree have beautiful combination. Center part is completely black, in jet black color with the rose design here and there, printed very elegant block prints. And next to that we have the maroon base color. We also have the orange base with floral design in half white. The borders are also in the maroon base. Excellent combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree with red pallu, and we have very elegant zari lines and zari border. Same color blouse piece, a beautiful chilli hot red color, very rare in tassa. The block prints are completely in white, half white color, very closely printed and beautifully done one with the border designs as well, horizontally done. Elegant one with authentic silk work. Pure tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink and violet shade color pallu, multiple shades, and purple is also given on white base, here block printed, and we also have zari lines in the saree. Very contrast and beautiful purple color pallu, the blouse piece. Saree is in a very beautiful concept, multiple colors, the shades of pink, red and violet is given all over. You can see the differences. Very elegantly it's been done, a colorful saree with authentic silk work. Pure tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark red color pallu with zari lines and block prints in half white and black color. And we have same color, almost a maroon color shade this blouse piece, completely plain one blouse pieces with the zari borders along. The saree have a beautiful design. The top half alone we have a splitting that has a horizontal red part, and otherwise completely it is printed on half white base with dark black color, a grayish black, beautiful floral design. The borders are also on red base. Very elegant one, different one too with authentic silk mark. Pure tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with block printed design and zari lines. Same black blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in very beautiful blue and white concept, the Pochambali type printing design, and we also have black diamond shaped designs as well. You can see beautiful one, patch kind printed using black. Very different concept saree, beautiful and trendy design with authentic silk work. Pure tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with block printed design in half white color with zari lines also. And same grey blouse piece, dark grey color. And the saree is in dull finish half white with vertically a rusty orange color printed design, a Pochambali pattern, and we also have the border designs in the grey base. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful bottle green color, very different color tassa silk saree, very rare in tassa, and you can see the zari lines and block printed design and leaf design, beautifully done with same color blouse piece, completely in single color saree concept, no contrast. Only the block prints are in contrast color here, completely in plain version. Only the border designs are done in half white color. Excellent block printed design, multiple designs used with authentic silk.